how to delete all of the data from your laptop in Windows 11. So you may want to do this if you're selling your laptop or you just want to start brand new. So to erase all of your data, you first need to open up the Start menu on your computer. You can then search for the word Settings and you need to click on this window here. From this left-hand side, click on System, and then you'll need to scroll down the page and click on Recovery. Next to reset this PC, click on Reset. You'll have two options to either keep your files or to remove everything. So we want to delete all of our data, so we're going to press Remove Everything. You'll then need to select how you want to reinstall Windows. So you can select either a cloud download or a local reinstall. Now I'd recommend starting with a cloud download, but if for some reason this doesn't work, you can also select local reinstall. Now, as you can see, this will delete all of your files and data from your computer. So once this process is finished, it will be like when you first purchased your computer out of the box, and you'll need to go and set up your Windows computer once again. So this is perfect for when you're selling your computer. So just go and press Next, and then you can go through the steps to reset your Windows 11 PC.